Hey foodies, welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today, we are diving into the zesty world of lemon desserts, exploring the best flavor combinations that will make your taste bud dance. Stick around because we have got a lemony adventure ahead. Let's start with the classic lemon bars, a perfect blend of tartness and sweetness, just like Grandma used to make. Now, let's add a floral twist, lavender lemon cupcakes, a unique blend of citrus and fragrant lavender, perfect for a fancy dessert night. Who doesn't love cheesecake? Now, imagine that with a burst of blueberries and a zing of lemon. It's a match made in dessert heaven. Breakfast or dessert? Why not both? Lemon poppy seed muffins, a delightful way to start or end your day. Time for something cool and tangy? Raspberry lemon sorbet, the ultimate palate cleanser with a burst of fruity goodness. Let's take it up a notch with a lemon curd tart. That silky lemon filling and the flaky crust are a match made in dessert heaven. Who said lemon is just for desserts? Get ready for a delightful breakfast treat with our lemon blueberry pancakes. The perfect balance of citrusy goodness and juicy blueberries to kickstart your day. Need a pick-me-up? These lemon coconut energy bites are here to energize your day, packed with refreshing taste of lemon and the goodness of coconut. They're a healthy and tasty snack. Before we move on, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things delicious. Now, back to our lemony journey. And there you have it, folks. The best flavor combinations in lemon desserts. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and stay tuned for more mouth-watering adventures on Blogging Good Food. Until next time, happy baking!